Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to save a plant from root rot. Root rot is a serious issue, often caused by too much water and not enough drainage, leading to fungal growth. The good news is that with prompt action, many plants can be rescued. We'll go through the essential steps to identify, treat, and prevent this common problem, ensuring your beloved plants thrive. Let's get started on bringing your plant back to health. Once your plant is out of its pot, carefully wash away all the old soil from the roots. This allows you to clearly see the extent of the damage. Healthy roots are firm and white or light tan, while rotted roots are typically brown, black, or mushy. Using clean, sterilized scissors, trim away all the affected roots, leaving only the healthy ones. This step is vital for preventing further spread of the disease. After trimming, it's time to repot your plant. Choose a clean pot, ideally one with good drainage holes, and make sure it's not too large for the remaining root system. Fill it with fresh, well-draining potting mix. This new soil provides a healthy environment and prevents the recurrence of root rot. Never reuse the old, contaminated soil, as it could reintroduce the problem to your plant. Following repotting, water your plant very sparingly. Allow the top 2 to 3 inches of soil to dry out completely before watering again. Good air circulation and appropriate light are also crucial for recovery. Continue to monitor your plant closely for new growth, which indicates successful recovery. With these steps, you can effectively save your plant and prevent future root rot issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.